Virginia.
Wow, pesta kembang api.
Best enjoyed from far away.
Wow.
When you fall out of bed.
These aerial powder kegs are launched from mortars and packed one hell of a wallop.
Heck yeah.
These mortars go like 200 feet in the air and explode.
We set one of those off in the office the other day on accident.
The last thing you want to be is in the path of a lit mortar. But then, you aren't on the Profits of Regret stunt team.
Who in the world would even think of that?
Aduh.
There's a white tie.
DOR boys specialize in dangerous, outlandish stunts.
Oh, no.
Ayo lu, kamera itu rekaman kecil.
And the mortar's gonna blow up while he's sitting in it.
You committed, son.
Wow, wow.
Look, this is a good place. He immediately regretted that.
Laying a mortar between his legs, the fuse gives Stuntmeister Cutbone just enough time to think he might have made a mistake. Before the mortar makes him sure of it.
Oh my God! That was crazy, dude.
Even a porta potty close encounter of the mortar kind isn't close enough. Not for these guys.
Good one.
They decide to give one crew member a super shot with a lit mortar.
Oh my God! Nakakalabi mas mag-iyan na ba?
Crap in his pants.
Oh yeah, you're kidding.
I think it did.
The mortar charge incinerates approximately a crew member.
Yan, dyan ang mono.
While up close with a lit mortar may work for these crazed stuntmen.
That's pretty funny right there.
The rest of us will take ours at a little distance and maintain the ability to have children.
That's fire in the hole. Dude, this gives one.